I'm Deepak Chopra. You're watching New Realities.
If there's one thing I hope for you in 2023, it's that you understand your true sense of self and you deepen your self-awareness so that you can step into the joy of self-acceptance. This is the key to everything. When you step into forgiveness and awareness, you can create anything in the world. We have forgotten how powerful we are, and our energy gets tangled up in so many things. When you love yourself and you understand your true mission, there is nothing more incredible and joyful. This is the magic carpet ride everyone talks about, and we want you to step into these synchronicities.
And I want to I'm so proud of everybody who did their transmissions today. So I can't get past the word. I'm just so proud of everybody. And it was so excellent. And it made my heart expand past a part I knew it could open past. So thank you for that.
I just want Diane to know that she can do anything. Like she can do anything. And it's right on the tip of her tongue. It's right there, Diane. It's right there for you.
That you just unlocked something huge for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's been trapped for a long time.
Wow. Wow.
Woohoo! And through these practices, through this protocol, you're going to access parts of yourself that are so magical and so beautiful.
At LightNet, we don't put you in a team of 50 people. We don't let you just blow through the materials and just read it, because that's not how you can understand consciousness. The only way to understand this, because it's so crazy, is to actually have a physical experience in your body that you cannot deny. And the best way to do that is in real time with a group of people who are holding your hand, watching you, loving you, and supporting you.
I'm learning every time we do one of these, what the human mind is capable of. And
like the primal awareness.
Primal awareness, I like that. That's really good.
It's actually the awe, the knowing, where it's just you're everywhere. It's the access to everything and all time. These thoughts and energies are always around you and you're tuned into them. We just have to practice more of tuning in more.
Remote viewing, or whatever you want to call it, is not one thing, it's all things, because it's accessing the divine awareness. Where something is on the other side of the planet, just because we've intended to go there, and we've all done it in this class, then it's unlimited, our potential. That's just a demonstration of how infinite and unlimited we are.
The practice of getting my ego out of the way from day one to now. Yeah, just like liberating all those judgmental thoughts and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I feel so much more clear now. I'm just like, okay, this is what I see. And as people have talked about too, like just magnifying that inner knowing.
We don't really understand how this is happening. We just know that the people on our teams have experienced profound synchronicities on a daily and weekly basis. Being around a loving group of 8 people sharpens your sense of understanding of yourself and love for the ones around you. And that seems to be the chemical reaction that you need in order to unlock profound understandings of the people and synchronicities around you.
People who think they can't draw, 100% you can. 100%. And
we are in this playful, participatory state. We are actually magnifying things that we want to us. And so the name of the game is, how do you keep yourself in the high vibes? Everything is frequency. Everything is vibration. So learning tools that you can modulate your frequency and your vibration, you really have the keys to the castle. You're going to be able to connect to your angels, your guides, so that you can be receiving guidance, because I guarantee you they're still talking to you whether or not you think they are.
Whether or not you're listening, they're there.
We're all about doing something new. This is avant-garde spirituality we're doing. You know, I talked to Deepak Chopra, he says it's all consciousness. I said, that's right, Deepak, but what are we going to do about it? This is the application of consciousness. This is the active application of being a true human being connected to source beyond like spirituality 101. Are we infinite? Yeah, we're infinite, but this is what we can do with our infinite potential. That's what's so amazing.
LightNet seems to be doubling. We started out with 4 guides, then we went to 8 guides, now we have 16. And what's even crazier kept me up at night. We had 33 people in the first lab and we wanted to start with 100 founders. And when I did the math for the second lab, I realized we had exactly to the number 67, and that equals 100. I thought, wow. This is divine orchestration. Something magical is happening at LightNet, and there's 128 spots for this next season. This is going to be a powerful group. So if it's calling you, answer the call. Join us and pick your small group today. To find out more, click the link below.